In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view execution details in Make, so you can troubleshoot your automations and understand exactly what your scenarios are doing. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Make. Log into your account and make sure you're in the right workspace where your scenarios live. Once you're in, click Scenarios from the left-hand navigation menu. This is where all your automations are stored, so find the one you want to inspect and click on its name to open the Scenario Builder. This is where you design and edit your workflow, but today we're here to review past runs. Look for the tab labeled History, Executions, or Runs. Different versions of Make call it slightly different things, but it's always in the same area. This section records every time your scenario ran. You'll see a list of past runs with their date and time, their status, whether it was a success, error, or warning, and the number of operations used. Click on the run you want to inspect. This opens the execution detail view, and you'll now see a visual map of that specific scenario run. Each module on the canvas shows whether it succeeded or failed, giving you an immediate snapshot of the health of your workflow. Start by clicking the first module. That's the trigger. This shows you the incoming data that started the scenario. It could be a webhook payload, a new spreadsheet row, or a form submission. Review this input carefully, because if the trigger data is wrong, nothing else will work right. Then move through the scenario from left to right, clicking each module one at a time. For every module, you can inspect what data was passed in and what it produced as output. This is incredibly useful for verifying transformations or actions. Click the arrows to expand nested objects, revealing the full JSON or structured data underneath. If any module failed, click it and read the full error description. Don't just glance at the red icon. The details are what tell you exactly what went wrong. Some modules also let you view raw input and output data, which is a lifesaver for debugging complex issues. As you go, trace how data moved through your workflow. Compare the input and output between steps to confirm that your transformations are correct. If a module didn't run at all, check the filters on the connection line leading into it. That's often the culprit. Finally, verify the output of the last module to confirm your final action was completed. Look for slow or failing modules, because they usually point to configuration issues or bottlenecks. And that's it. You've now walked through how to view execution details in Make, from the trigger all the way to the final output and error checking. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.